From Argentina, we'll see the falls in details, falls by falls. While in Brazil, we'll have a panoramic view that will be done tomorrow. Okay? So we have in this moment a little problem. We destroyed all the walkways because of El Nino problem. Have you heard about El Nino? El Nino current or El Nino, I don't know, you have several names. Do you know what means El Nino? Baby. And you know why is the baby? Baby Jesus Christ. So we had so many rains, about 2 months, and we still have a lot of water in the falls. So we cannot visit, and the visit to the double throat is closer. So we send a fax to marine the trees like orchids. We have a lot of bromelias. Okay. And we have also philodendron. Have you heard about philodendron? Okay. So in total we have 2,000 different types of trees. Sometimes we compare. If Iguazu is like Amazon forest, it's totally different. Iguazu High, which is a rosewood. We have rosewood here. And we have in this forest about 400 different types of birds. 400. 27 different types of reptiles. Jaguars. We have pumas. We got ocelot and 3 small cats. Jaguarundi, tirica, and black cat. So those last 3 cats, they are just a little bit bigger than the domestic cats, and the other are bigger, for its pounds. Puma about 160 pounds, and ocelot about 80 pounds. The other about 7-8 pounds, some of them. Okay, people can weigh about 600 pounds. So it's predated by the jaguar. Normally the jaguar kill the tapir, and they has similarity, not exactly the same, but remind when it walks like an elephant. We got some pecari. Pecari is the local name, so they are wild boar. We have about 2 types of foxes, wolves. We have also armadillo. Lighter as you can, you know. Don't go with heavy clothes. The people that are going to do the boat ride, you are not coming back to the hotel first. You're going to do the boat ride right on the way from the falls. So.
Okay, here are the falls from our balcony. And these are the falls that were shown in the amazing movie The Mission with Robert De Niro, made in 1985, he said. Wasn't that well received, but it was a brutal movie. And these are beautiful grounds here of the hotel. Kind of a dome over there. Must be a pool maybe. Lovely place. Banana trees everywhere. And forest. This is a rainforest. There's a toucan. Give me a profile. And he's right above the falls. This bridge is right on top of a small fall. There's, if you look closely, you might see Robert De Niro climbing up on the right-hand side. Gives you a frame of reference. This is one little piece of the falls here. Panorama shot now as it comes around. Here's where it begins. This thing swings around here. These trees are blocking, but it keeps on going over to the left, over there, beyond. Like 2.5 miles of falls like this.
Adamant. Then we have a group of cascade called Igua. Igua is a bird like a cormorant, as we have here. And the biggest one there is San Martin.
So we're going to take a walkway over the falls. We walk all over the top of the falls. Whoa.
80 feet, and some others 240. That depends how big is the water from the bottom. The cascade is standard, you know. If the river increases, it gets shorter. Get down, it gets higher.
Do you mind repeating that?
So you want to know the altitude of the cascade. In Argentina, we have 270.5, and Brazil has 4.5. And the altitude has some variation. In some areas we have about 180 feet high, and in some...
And how wide are the cascades?
How wide? All of them?
Yeah.
2.7 kilometers, which is like a 1 mile and 1.5 miles.
Thank you.
All of them.
I don't know if you can get the perspective here on film or not, but it's an unbelievable shot. There's some boats down there. Unbelievable. Got to see the movie The Mission again by Robert De Niro and get a full impact of this. The culture. There's the Brazil side way over there. That has about a half a mile. And here's the Argentine side, which has the other, whatever, mile. These are orchids, Morris. Take your wife some orchids for when you get off the plane.
Where are the orchids?
The white ones. Two rivers are what?
There are two rivers. So this river
Yeah.
runs another 12 miles
Right,
and ends in the Paraná River.
right.
Paraná is an Indian name that means the father of the sea. Sorry, the brother of the sea.
And the two rivers meet. That's
There we have the point of division of two countries. One side Argentina, then Brazil, and Paraguay.
Paraguay. And it's 12 miles from here.
12 miles from here. So from this area to the Atlantic Ocean, we have about 700 kilometers. River, because of the union of several streams, you know, come all together and form this river. So the total course of the Iguazu River is about 1,300 kilometers to get here. So, but it's coming from the east to the west. From the Atlantic to the interior of the country, then flowing the Paraná River, and all the water gets to the river plate.